Hello family, today I'm going to be making some goat meat light soup. So without further ado, stay with me to the end of this video. So here I have my freshly washed goat meat, which I'm just seasoning with some salt. And here I have blended ginger, garlic, onion and black pepper freshly blend. If you don't have this, you can also use dry ingredients or dry seasoning to do the soup. Is also okay. After that, I'm just going to be adding some stock seasoning cube, and then I will mix all together, just mix all together and make sure all is well marinated. And now after that, I'm just going to rinse the blender that I used to blend the ingredients and then just add it to it. I'm not going to add any water or any more water into the meat. After that, I add my chopped onions and mix all together, then cover this and allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that, I'll go ahead to add in my fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and also you can add more ingredient that you want to add to it. But for me, I'm just doing with fresh tomatoes and pepper. After that, just take it out. I let it cook for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to blend this off camera. So I finished blending it, and I'm just going to sieve it into the soup. And then I'll add my tomatoes puree. You can go ahead and add the quantity that you want, but I'm just adding just small can of tomatoes puree to it. And after that, I went ahead to mix all together perfectly well. I cover it and I allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So you can see it is well cooked now, and because I want the ingredients to penetrate very well into the meat so you get the perfect taste that you want. And I went ahead to rinse the blender and added the water into the meat. And now I'm adding some boiled water. You can add also the water to the quantity that you want. It depends on how you want your soup to be, whether you want it to be more light or a little bit thicker. Then you go ahead and add water to your preference. After that, let it cook slowly for about 20 minutes and until you get the perfect texture that you want for your soup. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more of the blended ginger, garlic, onion and the black pepper just to enhance the taste of the soup. And then I add in some green scotch bonnet. This is also just to give it the extra flavor. And here is the basil leaf, also it will help the soup for more flavor. And that's it. You just let it cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes and then the soup will be ready to serve. I am going to have mine with yam fufu. I love yam fufu so much. But you can have your cassava and plantain fufu if that's what you want, or cocoa yam fufu or any fufu of your choice. But I love yam fufu very much. And I just went ahead and served. It's been a while, I know, but thank you all for always staying. Thank you for coming back. I wish every one of us a very happy new year. Please stay safe and to remain blessed. And I will be see you all in my next one.